Guys.
Guys.
There's literally a new location on the map.
There's a new update, guys.
What is this? What is this? What is this? Shredder.
What in the world?
I just died.
When you go inside, you died?
Alright. That's easy.
You have to earn this hat of these and these?
Uranium in. Alright, we gotta go to sewers. And we gotta go whatever.
But guys,
the place is.
guys, we gotta tell you something. Look, they just brought it back. You'll see, guys. 3, 2, 1. The OG reindeer! It came back!
I honestly can't believe it came back. If that comes back, then I know what else is gonna come back. This
Polar bear.
No, I'm not. I swear, if they bring back polar bear, I'm gonna be so mad. That was the first $10 bundle. All right, so
I don't even have that.
All right, Stone, get your stuff. We're gonna go mining first, and then we're gonna go hop in the stash, and then we're gonna just and then we're gonna go to sewers once we hop in the stash. And this is like a shortcut.
Wait. So how much do you have to collect?
Alright, bro. Silver is gonna be so easy just for.
So we gotta go sewers. You have to earn.
Alright, let's go, bro. Dun dun dun.
You have to earn I'm just gonna bring a backpack just in case. If we need like a lot.
What? Oh. Yeah, we need 2 backpacks.
Just bring a backpack so if there's actually
No, Stone, let's go get the silver first. It's way easier. And then we could just hop in the stash. Oh. Sorry. Bro, I always hate when they do this to mines. I always hate this when they do this to mines. Is it this way?
I'm busy.
Oh, definitely not the way where the spider goes.
Oops, Spooderman. He's right over there.
So put your thing on your hip slot so you don't damage me.
I know.
Ah, it's Spooderman location. We gotta go with Spooderman.
We have to go to Spooderman. Are you serious?
Oh, nope, right here. Gotta mine some.
Finally!
Silver. Alright. Oh, I think it has to be. No, I think it has to be that type of. Like the chunk. Chunk. Give me chunk. Chunk. Gold. Oh, yo, Stone. Where are you? Yo. Take this. Maybe we should get a ton of stuff, actually. Because it says, complete. Stuff like that. Gotta get silver.
Hold up. I need to mine this.
Got it.
Jordan, my pickaxe, it just belonged. My pickaxe just belonged away.
Alright. I think that should be enough.
Oh gosh, Armstrong, what are you doing here?
I don't know.
Why is he blue?
There's Blue Armstrong? Oh, yo, what's up, bro?
What the sick?
Yo, what's up? Blue Armstrong? Yo, Blue Armstrong.
Gray?
I want to tell you something. W outfit. Blue is my color.
Yeah, it's W. You're W.
It's not. You're probably gonna get hit if you do that.
Yeah, just kill him.
Yo, can you help him? He has 10 times more health. Alright, let's go. Back home, boy.
Wait, where's my pickaxe, bro? Oh, my pickaxe.
Alright. So I guess you get like rewards.
It's just like...
You have to have 15. Alright, you gotta get
Also, we get nuts too.
hold up, yo, I think, hold up. What does it say right here? What number does
6? We gotta collect.
What does it say?
6.
It says 20.
Because you gotta collect more, so we gotta collect more. I don't know how ever. I think the video's like going to be like really.
Alright, yo, Stallone, we don't need to collect that. We just need to collect uranium. Because go in the stash, it's an easy way. It's an easier way to go to sewers. Okay. Now we just gotta wait for Stallone to come in the stash. Ooh. The stash. Go inside the stash. Go inside the stash. Get out with the teleport ball thing. You know when you go in the stash and like you have to get out? I'm in sewers. You know when you go in the... Yeah, because if you go to the stash, bro, you can enter sewers by... You know that big... Like, so you know how like when you go in the stash, you enter like that world? So like when you go in that world, you'll see like a teleport ball. And that teleport ball brings you to sewers. Well, then just go inside the stash, and if you see a big teleport ball, go to it. Are you serious right now, bro? Alright, where is this guy? I'm over here. The stash. Go inside the stash. Yep. You go inside the stash, then you go to the teleport ball. Alright. No! Oh my god. Oh my god. The power of the grappler saved me. I would have been cooked.
Crap.
This is the way. Ow.
Sorry. Sorry.
Alright, this is the way.
Alright, the video's gonna be... Hold up, I got stuck.
Alright. You come over here, then come over here, come over here. I'm pretty sure that hat is like, what is that doing here? Ugh.
Bruh. Bro, I'm stuck. Bro, I'm stuck. Kaiser, I'm stuck. Oh gosh. Oh god. Oh god.
Yo,
Guys,
I could kill you. I could kill you and then I could res you. Just hold on to your grappler.
The body is gonna.
Yeah, put your
I
grappler
can't-
on your hip slot. Put your grappler on your hip slot.
I can't.
Alright, then just do that. Just hold on to the grappler. No, it'll help.
How the minute did I get stuck here?
Alright.
Hold up. What if I try this? Hold up, let me try to pull myself. Okay, that doesn't work.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Gotta
now.
kill me.
I'm stuck.
Oh my gosh. This is why I hate this bug.
Alright. Got you. Okay, and now your body's down there. And now I'm stuck.
Okay, guys, we gotta have to cut the video.
I think I know how to do this. Close. You just
Guys, we might have to cut the video because I think we might have made a mistake.
well,
We kind of.
come on, Animal Company, come on. But I swear, Animal Company is trash. Yeah, this has been like a bug for like. Oh, you just have to push. Oh my god. Oh, I got one hand out. But I'm stuck. Alright. We're back, guys. Yeah.
Sorry guys, we're back because we're kind of stuck, so we had to cut the whole video, so we might have had to delete that. So we gotta find a... Oh shoot,
Bro, you need oh, can you be like the thing that like that you know like the flashlight where you just like do that? Come on.
I got this one.
Go off.
Gosh.
Come.
Bro just ran away.
No, we can't go there. Are you serious? Mimics there?
Bro, he is super. Damn, where we're close. No, I dropped my. No! No, I dropped my glow stick! Oh crap.
But what was that sound?
That might be the girl because. Bro, I told you not to turn on!
Alright. I think that's just
Okay, guys,
his
remind-
girlfriend. But why does it have to be so hard to just get something called uranium? Alright, come on, let's go.
Okay, come on, let's just go. We're just not be scary cats.
But the mimic.
I was about to get the box. Yeah, the mimic is walking our way, and he's trapped!
Are you serious right now?
What are we supposed to do? Hold up, let me mine these.
Okay, I have this one, and then you have the other one.
No, mine's mine! That's
Well,
mine! Bro, it's mine!
There's another one. Alright, you can have it, actually, I don't care.
Get your, yeah, give me that, yeah.
Well, this causes light. This is...
No, it doesn't cause light.
Alright. Yo, Stallone, you lead the way. Go. Go. Oh, no.
Are you seriously? He's still there.
Don't...
My gosh, I'm holding it. Dog. Okay, can you just please give me that back, bro? It's not mine.
Fine.
Thank you. You just can't take it. It's no more. Alright. Oh gosh, he's coming towards us. Oh crap. I'm stuck! Oh my gosh, he's coming towards us. Are you seriously?
But
Got a stick out?
honestly, this part of the thing is so annoying because you can't turn on your light.
Yeah, we have to see a stupid woman girl. Okay. Just run.
I just died, bro. There was like no way to escape. It's like dark.
Are you seriously? Oh, darn it. Now I should make noises.
Bro.
Where are you? Oh my.
Alright, so now I know that you could just run past the mimic. So just
Where's your body?
go.
I can't. I got me by her body. No, that doesn't help. Alright, just run. 3, 2, 1, run!
Yes.
Go down!
Oh my god.
Yay, we made it!
Bro, the thing is, I never knew that you could just run past him. I thought he would notice us. Bro, he literally... What? Bro, my grappler.
Hold up.
Where did my grappler go? Oh, right here.
Hold up. Oh, you can take that.
I'll take the small ones, you take the big ones.
Whoa, what is that sound?
I don't know. It's the fan. It's the fans that Animal Company added for no reason.
Yes.
Oh my god, I just found so much uranium.
It's closed.
Ain't no way I just got a research point. Yeah.
Me too.
Nice.
Things respawn. And I got company points. And I didn't get the big ones. God. Is there no? Is there no? Alright guys.
Alright, bye, Stallone.
Let's get these last ones. Okay, there's so bro! My pickaxe is just dropped. Wait, now I lost my pickaxe.
Bye, Stallone, I guess. Subscribe. What? Yeah, say farewell to Stallone. Say, everybody spam bye Stallone in the chat. This part I like to turn my light off because if you know, anglerfish could be anywhere at this time. I mean anywhere, it could even be here. Dang it, anglerfish is right there. What even is that? Settings. Okay. Wait for big boy to go. Alright, we got away. Let's just see. I hope I get a lot of stuff so I can get that build or whatever the thing is. They said, someone told me that you'd be able to kick or something. Oh my god, this is so... Okay, like... It's still 40. Put in your aiming. Is this like a cosmetic or something? Oh, this is 100 company coins. Whee. Alright. So well, that was kind of, I don't know what you say, hard because of that dumb lady and the mimic. That's actually a pretty quick sewer run, not gonna lie. But what is this new fan art? Alright, is this Mimic, the one I hate? This is a new game mode, arena. Another new game mode. Another new game mode thing. But only this guy's here and that guy's there and that. How does this guy die? Oh, landmine. Okay. Is that the Mimic again? The guy I hate so much. Another new, whatever you call it. I hate this guy so much. He ruins my run. Alright. Why would I look past it like, oh my god. And a bird, there's your water. Do that bird. Alright. So I think that's a pretty goated update. Make sure to subscribe.